This is an industry recognized award by the industry for the industry.
To win this one, you have to be something of a legend in the industry. And this person is a legend.
Clear winner this year's General Insurance Company of the Year.
The General Reinsurer of the Year.
This was a very hotly contested category.
Insurance Broker of the Year is...
I'm very proud that this Asia Insurance Industry Awards have contributed to the industry's march towards greater professionalism and higher standard.
Recognizing that its success depends heavily on human capital, the chosen winner has always sought to improve the quality of its staff.
This year's winner impressed the judges for its good corporate citizenship, professionalism, and their customer-first mindset.
From day one, customer centricity has been our goal.
Providing to our client base absolute rabid attention to giving value.
To bring the industry in Asia to the next level and ultimately to enhance the value of insurance.
We have a tremendous number of applicants and they've done an outstanding job. I look for innovation, I look for spontaneity, I look for things that are cool and different. I look for a lot of the social aspects of what they do on the internet.
But those that stand out are those that really try and innovate, and those that are able to execute successfully in innovation and change the market.
Every submission told a story and shed light on business achievements and other successes that not only represent the evolution of our industry, but also make it a dynamic and exciting place for so many of us to work in.
Most important thing is to have an innovative mind. When the company doesn't have the innovative mind, they can't survive in this industry anymore.
The award winners should fundamentally be using this award to further push for innovation within the industry, to challenge new areas, new frontiers of business, and to further help develop the industry across the region.
For all the nominees, it's important to see where they are outstanding and where they are innovative to lead the industry into new terrain.
To be innovative and continue to set professional standards for the insurance industry.
Whoever receives the award, they are the role model, they are the samples, and people are looked through.
We say it's a journey. So for us, we know there's a lot more work. We know that we need to work really hard to attract talent, to build talent for the industry as well.
Being contribute to the benefits of the whole society and the community has been our full commitment.
It's a wonderful industry. It's a people industry. I've been privileged to be with the industry for 35 years. And you can never top moments like this. Very exciting.
So this is about saying, well done, you've made fantastic achievements. And when you go back to your businesses, it's good for staff morale, it's good for growth, and it's good for the industry as a whole.
This is for us the confirmation that we're on the right path.
To give you our commitment to be long-term partners and to be smarter together.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 19th Asia Insurance Industry Awards, and many thanks to all of you for joining us here for this evening of celebration in Singapore at the iconic Marina Bay Sands. Lovely to see all of you, and for those who are returning, nice to see you again. For those first-timers, welcome to the Lion City and Marina Bay Sands. The awards tonight seeks to capture the spirit of excellence and ensure a certain consistency and standard in these dynamic and rapidly changing times. A highly coveted prize indeed, is shown by the sheer number of submissions, as well as the high level of attendance at the grueling Meet the Judges interviews by the finalists. This year's entries showed passion and dedication to be different. There were some tough choices faced by judges to select the winners, but the face-to-face meeting with the finalists helped to swing votes, as the candidates, often represented by the CEOs themselves, showed a deep commitment to excellence and setting market-leading positions. Now, these leaders make the industry shine, and so do the judges with their commitment to the task of selecting winners. The qualifying period for this year's awards was between the 1st of April 2014 and the 31st of March 2015. Nominations began pouring in April. The judging process was carried out in 2 stages. The first round by remote judging based on submissions made by the candidates, and the second saw the panel of judges meeting face-to-face with finalists to deliberate as to who the ultimate winners should be. The judges then made their selections by secret ballot, the selection being based on a point scoring system with results tallied and audited by the independent auditor KPMG. The results were kept under lock and key and will only be revealed tonight. We salute and thank the judges for their time and commitment to the whole process and lending their names to the prestige of the awards. The distinguished panel of 29 illustrious judges drawn from eminent industry leaders, regulators, and practitioners from Asia and the international markets rose to the challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, the judges are here tonight with us. Please join us in thanking them. Thank you, judges. We would also like to place on record our sincere appreciation to our valued sponsors. In alphabetical order, they are AIG, Aon Benfield, Knowledge Advisor KPMG, Manulife Financial, Muang Thai Life Assurance, MSIG, Peak Re, PwC, QBE, Remark, RGA, Swiss Re, Toa Re, Tokyo Marine, and Zurich. Without our sponsors, this event would not have been possible, and we thank all of them. Thank you. The awards categories are set out on the menu cards in front of you, but for now, it's my pleasure and honor to invite the Editor-in-Chief of Asia Insurance Review and Middle East Insurance Review, Mr. Sivam Subramaniam, to deliver the welcome address. Sivam, please.
A very good evening to all of you, our distinguished VIPs and guests, our panel of eminent judges who carry the weight of the awards on their broad shoulders, insurance and reinsurance celebrities at the SIRC, participants and finalists of the 19th Asia Insurance Industry Awards, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen. We are indeed at the 19th Asia Insurance Industry Awards, and it is Asia Insurance Review's 25th anniversary this year. So it took me a long 6 years of knowing the insurance industry better to realize that actually there was much to celebrate in the insurance industry. And that was 19 years ago. And today, we don't have enough awards to go around for all the great things that the people and companies are doing within the insurance industry. There is so much wonderment in the air, even to the non-Pollyannas of the world. And the awards is one surefire way of making the stars shine. It is also a motivating force in several ways. Even the skeptics can be lured. But turning to today itself, I must tell you that we are here to celebrate the awards, but I, for sure, will not be getting any award for Father of the Year because today is my darling daughter's birthday, and here I am working even at night. So I can only wish her happy birthday in my heart. But I really am delighted to host the Asia Awards here, as there is so much to celebrate in the industry. Because seriously, I believe in the cause of the Asia Awards, that by recognizing and saluting excellence, we inspire everyone to reach for the sky, where there is risk as well. The past year has been a dramatic and traumatic year, but in Asia, especially in insurance, there are still stars shining brilliantly. Opportunities abound every which way, and it's exciting to see the insurance industry is taking itself more seriously to get the public to value the role of insurance in their lives and in the economy. This must be the driving mission of all insurance professionals. I think, in a way, social media is forcing insurers to sing the song of insurance on every rooftop, every telephone line, and online as well. And the entries do show this dynamism very, very vividly. For the year in question, we did have a fantastic array of nominations, though there were a couple who did shy away. But we did have a good crop of entries, and I must salute all the judges, almost 30 of them, for a job well done collectively and individually. They faced the finalists with the face-to-face with the finalists was indeed a major defining moment for several of the awards. The candidates really were serious and sent their best reps, their CEOs and all. Some finalists just blew the judges away as runaway winners. Some struck the sincerity chord to clinch the award on the spot. They did come with the wow factor, but it was a tough day for the judges, but they were really diligent. Most entries were indeed encouraging. They held out a promise that there was more to the players and the industry than we give them credit for. Many had a great story to tell. Some just didn't know how to get interesting with the mass of data they had amazed. But I salute all of them for being a source of encouragement for the rest of us who observe the industry. The winners were chosen by the judges, of course, and they'll only be revealed tonight. Though they will be expected to, though they're not expected to come with prepared speeches, you may realize that in the insurance industry, everybody is a risk manager at heart. So you will see many of them pulling out prepared texts, not because they knew they were winners, but they were just good risk managers. But getting the award is not all. They have to stand tall and become the ambassadors of the industry for at least a year. We at Asia Insurance Review will think of ways to use the winners to serve the industry, to share their secrets of success, like participating in conferences throughout the year. We have drawn up the contract, so after you've got the award, we'll make sure you sign these speaking assignments. I look forward to parading the winners at the end of this evening, but for now, let's enjoy the dinner. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Siva. I'm sorry to take you away from your daughter's birthday party, but I promise we've all got cameras here, so in about 3 drinks' time, we'll organize some happy birthday singing and send her a video. How's that sound? Should have brought her. Thank you again, the Editor-in-Chief of Asia Insurance Review and Middle East Insurance Review, Mr. Sivam Subramaniam, our host today. It's my pleasure now to invite the Chairman of the Reinsurance Brokers Association of Singapore to address us on behalf of the judging panel. Please welcome Mr. Richard Austin. Richard.
Good evening. Can't hear you. Good evening. Honourable guests, distinguished fellow judges, worthy award nominees, winners to be, ladies and gentlemen, we had a little whip round at our table for Sivam's daughter. Please do the same, so he won't feel too bad when he goes home. So, ladies and gentlemen, please lend me your ears. I will be less than 3 minutes. Most of what I have to say has probably been said already in one form or another. Anyway, another year has passed by, and you're witnessing a very special occasion tonight. The long-awaited awards presentation dinner is here again. It's great to recognize and salute excellence in the insurance industry. It's testimony that Asia is still dynamic and thriving in volatile and turbulent times. I'd like to extend hearty congratulations to the organizer, Asia Insurance Review, on the success of this worthy project. I have personally invested my faith in Asia Insurance Review since it started, and Sivam tells me I was his first client or customer. We were then both in our early 30s, and experience has taken its toll, but Sivam and I still are dreamers, and the same dreamers we were in the 1980s. The high degree of professionalism shown by the organizing team and the amount of work that goes into the awards behind the scene is really impressive. You know, these events don't just happen by themselves, and I salute their spirit of enterprise and hectic endeavors, especially yours, Sivam, as the leader and the inspiration behind the team. I'm delighted to see so many eminent executives from around the world at this night's awards dinner, including the VIPs and delegates from SIRC. Now, not many people know this. Somebody said that. But did you know that when the Singapore Formula One week is on, this is the only other time that Changi Airport private jet park is completely full. And happily, we have a full house too. The awards is now in its 19th year, and it's become a milestone event with more and more candidates vying for the coveted trophies. The surge in the number of entries and the diversity of territories is also a promising indication that the region at last values the quest for excellence. Having been in the region for the past few decades, I can attest to the tremendous energy that exists in Asia. Change has always been our constant, and change drives the market to greater quality and inspires the market to greater innovation. This event is not possible, ladies and gentlemen, without your judges. The judging panel freely gave a massive time commitment to this event. They more than earn their keep with the amount of reading, thought, and the scoring that they have to do. But saluting excellence is a worthwhile business. You need to know that the judging process is well conceived and conducted in a highly professional and systematic manner under the watchful eye of KPMG, our independent auditors. We all strive for the process to be fair and no favoritism. Bear in mind the sheer cross-section and experience of the panel of judges of more than 30 of us. We come from all walks of the market, from the region and internationally, and there are regulators in our panel. The judges have to personally go through reams of extensive round of shortlisting and a selection, and there are tremendous amounts of thought process and provoking material to absorb and assess. Reading the submissions assures me that Asia is not only firmly on the path of growth and innovation, but I'm happy to report that individual thought is alive and well, and I have great faith the ability of individuals to excel in our insurance and reinsurance industry in Asia. Talented people help to make great companies. In late August, after months of work, we finally came to a long and demanding judging day, where we met the finalists face to face to quiz them and grill them before choosing the winners. It's always exciting to meet the candidates, some of whom are here tonight, or all of whom are probably here tonight, and to witness their passion. The executives who came to meet the judges conducted themselves impressively. Many were CEOs, attesting to the prestige of these awards and how hotly this is contested. I take this opportunity to congratulate all of the nominees and those who made it to the shortlist and the exclusive list of 47 finalists. From my perspective, there are no losers, there are all winners. So let us please raise our glasses, put our hands together, and salute the finalists. Please show your appreciation and acknowledge them. They are all winners. On behalf of the judging panel, I want to encourage more industry companies and individuals to take part in the awards next year. As a past award winner and CEO, I can tell you firsthand it's well worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, I'd like to thank all the members of the judging panel for their considerable contributions during the judging process. I also want to encourage Asia Insurance Review, Sivam, to continue this noble and iconic project of the awards. It really adds to the region's drive to produce greater professionalism in the market. Lastly, and believe me, gentlemen and ladies, the judges do not know the results. The selections are made by a secret ballot and independently audited by KPMG. We all now eagerly await the results of the 19th Asia Insurance Awards, and I wish you all a very pleasant evening and sweet dreams. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Richard Austin, Chairman of the Reinsurance Brokers Association of Singapore there, addressing us on behalf of the judging panel. The awards ceremony themselves, ladies and gentlemen, will begin at about 9:30. For now, please, we'll leave you to enjoy your food and company, and the drinks, of course, that have been laid out for you. Thank you for your kind attention. We'll speak to you very shortly. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, the 19th Asia Insurance Industry Awards ceremony will now commence. We start tonight's presentations with the award for Life Insurance Company of the Year, sponsored by RGA. This award is given to the company which has most demonstrated market leadership through innovation in products or practices, initiatives to boost the image of insurance, and exceptional business growth through professionalism and sound management. The finalists are AIA Singapore, MetLife Insurance KK, and Sun Life of Canada Philippines. To announce the winner, please welcome Mr. Peter Tan, Chief Operating Officer, Asia, RGA Reinsurance Company.
Good evening. The judges saluted this year's winner for its commitment to achieving lifetime financial security and financial literacy through its excellent efforts in community outreach and making insurance relatable to its people. It's been the top life insurer in its market for 4 years in a row, and also the country's longest standing life insurer, marking its 120th anniversary. I think people are getting the clue, right? Judges were particularly impressed with its reputation for having the most productive agency force, with the most number of General Agency Management Association and $1 million roundtable qualifiers in the country. It has shown its understanding of the young market, and through its effective use of social media channels, enjoys the highest share of social engagement amongst insurance companies in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the Life Insurance Company of the Year is Sun Life of Canada Philippines.
Ladies and gentlemen, to accept the award, please welcome Ms. Rizalina G. Mantaring, CEO, Sun Life of Canada Philippines Incorporated.
Good evening. I know what it feels like to be an Oscar winner. Everything I thought I wanted to say, I've forgotten. But 5 years ago, when we were given our targets for 2015, we thought they were impossible to achieve. But we set about developing our plans, starting with the first financial literacy advocacy in the country. Where we are now is beyond anything we could have imagined 5 years ago. And this award is a tremendous affirmation that we have been on the right path. This year, as was also mentioned, marks our 120th anniversary in the country. We have witnessed some of the worst moments in our nation's history and have also been part of its success. This award, I hope, sets us on the next stage of growth for both our industry and our country. And of course, I can't end without saying thank you. Our entire leadership team is here. They're the best team I've ever worked with. Please give them a hand. And also, thank you to my boss, Kevin Strain, and our regional colleagues who are also here. They have been of tremendous support to us, not least of which is ensuring we have funding for our initiatives. So Kevin, tomorrow you will get another request. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Sun Life of Canada, Philippines. The second award is for General Insurance Company of the Year, sponsored by Peak Re. This award is presented to the company that has done the most to demonstrate market leadership and enhance the general insurance range of products, quality of service to customers in the Asian market, as well as boost the image of the general insurance industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the finalists are Bajaj Allianz General Insurance India, IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company, and MSIG Insurance Malaysia Berhad. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Franz Joseph Hahn, CEO, Peak Re.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This year's winner stood out for its outstanding efforts to advance the customer experience and industry leadership in ERM in the past year. What impressed the judges was not only its ability to turn in a sterling performance with good growth despite tough market conditions in 2014, and I think they still prevail, but also its quick turnaround claims processes within 24 hours and its technological savvy enhancing business efficiency. Ladies and gentlemen, no, it goes on, sorry. The screen just moved. I was too fast. Ranked amongst the top 3 in 4 key classes in its local market, a clear winner this year's General Insurance Company of the Year is MSIG Insurance Malaysia.
To receive the award, please welcome Mr. Chua Sek Wan, CEO, MSIG Insurance Malaysia Berhad.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's wonderful to be standing up here to receive this prestigious award on behalf of MSIG Malaysia. Now, we'd like to thank the Asia Insurance Review and the panel of eminent judges for selecting us and bestowing this great honor of being the General Insurance Company of the Year 2015. Now, it is extremely humbling when we learn that we are being shortlisted against some of the finest companies in the region. Now, I'd like to thank our regional office for encouraging us to submit an application for this award. Now, this is our first attempt, and I'm truly pleased we did not disappoint our regional office by winning it. Now, to be General Insurers of the Year is really a fantastic recognition, as I recall the many stringent criteria that the organizers set, that the winner must be able to demonstrate leadership professional standards and industry leadership in many areas, ranging from products, services, projects, and even responsiveness to our business partners as well as to the end users. I'm truly proud to know we are being recognized for meeting these standards. Of course, this would not be possible without the dedication of 100+ employees back home, and also the teamwork and professionalism of my senior management team, and also my predecessor, that's Mr. Song, who has laid the foundation for this company. All of them are here tonight to celebrate. And also the support and belief from our business partners, from our service providers, and all other partners in the industries. And of course, most important of all, the guidance from our regional office. Again, on behalf of MSIG Malaysia, thank you.
Congratulations, MSIG Malaysia. The third award of the evening is for Educational Service Provider of the Year, sponsored by Aon Benfield. This award recognizes outstanding market leadership and continuous educational and training service to enhance the standards of professionalism of executives in the insurance and reinsurance industry. The finalists are the Australian and New Zealand Institute of Insurance and Finance, the General Insurance Institute of Japan, and the Malaysian Insurance Institute. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Vinod Krishnan, CEO Asia, Aon Benfield.
Thank you. For its consistent efforts in providing training and professional development to the insurance industry across the Asia-Pacific region in the past year, this year's winner has been at the forefront of education and professional membership in the insurance industry. What caught the judges' eyes was its agility and innovation in its courses to suit different Asian markets like Thailand, Indonesia, and China. It also launched an industry-wide career program leading to raising the educational needs of women in insurance. Through its efforts in providing responsive leadership across a range of sectors, the deserving repeat winner of the Educational Service Provider of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, the Australian and New Zealand Institute of Insurance and Finance.
To accept the award, please welcome Ms. Prue Wilsford, CEO, Australian and New Zealand Institute of Insurance and Finance.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Firstly, I'd like to start by thanking the Asia Insurance Review for creating such a great opportunity to celebrate excellence. We have, as finalists, been asked to keep these speeches short, so of course I'd like to start by thanking my mother. But actually, I really would like to thank the judges. I know what a time-consuming and tremendous task it is to undertake being a judge in these awards. It is a great privilege also to be a judge because you get an insight and a slice across an extraordinarily broad and rapidly changing industry. As an education institution, ANZIIF has, and we are honoured by the judge's citation, which talks about our agility and our innovation. As this industry changes rapidly, so must we. Insurance education has barely changed for hundreds of years. And yet in the last 5 years, we have seen so much change, and we will see that change continue over the next decade. So again, I would like to thank you very much for the honour that we have received this award again. I would like to thank the other finalists for the stiff competition that they always represent. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to ANZIIF. A special scholarship award is next to salute a promising young executive sponsored by Aon Benfield. To present this scholarship award, please welcome Mr. Malcolm C. Steingold, CEO, Asia Pacific, Aon Benfield.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is the third year since Aon Benfield has launched the scholarship together with Asia Insurance Review. The scholarship is open to under 35s to nurture young talent and budding leadership in the market via an essay competition. This year, the essay topic was Innovation in Asia's Reinsurance Market. The winner gets an all-expense-paid trip to London on a one-week internship with Aon Benfield and the opportunity to attend the Aon Benfield Overseas Client Seminar in London in July 2016. And the scholarship is awarded tonight to Mr. Anand Srivastava of GIC Re India.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anand Srivastava.
Thank you, Aon Benfield and Asia Insurance Review, for giving young professionals like me an opportunity to make our voices heard on the pressing issues of the industry. I've been told by my boss to keep it under a minute, otherwise I get a very bad review. So, thank you and have a great evening.
Congratulations, Mr. Srivastava. The next award is for Innovation of the Year, sponsored by Manulife Financial. This award is for the operation that generated the most innovative approach to a significant business area with real impact on the market or business, and for disruption leading the industry's push to the next level. The finalists are Asian Alliance Insurance of Sri Lanka, QBE Asia Pacific, and Zurich Insurance Company. To present the award, please welcome Ms. Wendy Walker, Senior Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer, Manulife Singapore.
Good evening, everyone. The winner caught the judges' attention for its innovation in eliminating the traditional accident claims process in motor insurance and for bringing revolutionary change to its country's motor insurance industry. By eliminating the assessor role in the whole claims process, its mobile application has effectively reduced claims processing time by 50%, increased customer satisfaction to 93%, and reduced its carbon footprint across several dimensions, setting a new standard as the fastest claims settlement benchmark in its market. For its click-to-claim app, Asian Alliance Insurance Sri Lanka has won the Innovation of the Year award.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Iftikhar Ahmed, Managing Director, Asian Alliance Insurance PLC.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First time here, so no prepared speech. I just want to say thank you very much to Asia Insurance Review, the panel of judges. This award means a lot to us back home in Sri Lanka. This is to the most inspired and innovative team back in the country there, who have done a wonderful job in bringing this award to Asian Alliance. Sri Lanka is a small country, but as you can see, we can do great things and we can really achieve great things. Thank you very much, everybody.
Well done, Asian Alliance Insurance. The next award is for Service Provider of the Year, sponsored by Zurich Insurance Group. This award is presented to the operation for its market leadership in helping insurers transform and improve operations with clear and measurable results, and that has helped enhance the stability and growth of the Asian insurance industry by offering services in an exemplary manner. The finalists are CSC Asia, MD India Healthcare Services, and Remark International. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Jeff Riddle, Advisor Asia Pacific, Middle East and Africa, Zurich Insurance Group.
Good evening. What set this year's winner apart as a service provider is its success and dedication in helping its insurance partners achieve greater efficacy in their distribution efforts, its breadth of services, innovation, and service efficiency. As the first service provider in Asia to create white-labeled mobile applications and WeChat enterprise applications, the judges were impressed with how it enhanced the digital presence of customers' brands and built customer engagement. In addition, its graduate development program, designed to create a talent pool of future leaders within the business, also caught the judges' attention. For these and more, the worthy winner of the Services Provider Trophy is Remark International.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Stephen Collins, Group CEO, Remark International.
Very quickly, I'm accepting this on behalf of Fujita-san and Najia, my colleagues, who did all the work to earn this award, so congratulations to the team. This year is our 30th anniversary. The region has played a massive role in the development of Remark globally. Thank you to CIVM and AIR, to Zurich and the judges, and most importantly, in the Service Provider of the Year award, you have to have happy clients, and I'm delighted to see that some of our great clients, Sun Life, MSIG, Tokyo Marine, represented here on the podium tonight. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to Remark. The 6th award is for Corporate Risk Manager of the Year, sponsored by AIG. This award is given to an individual or company for proficiency and creativity in managing companies' risks and the promotion of risk management in Asia. The finalists are Mr. Ryan Tan, SMRT Corporation, Singapore; Mr. Vincent Ho, MTR Corporation Limited, Hong Kong; Cathay Century Insurance; and China Property and Casualty Reinsurance Company. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Matt Harris, Chief Executive, AIG Asia Pacific Insurance Private Limited.
Good evening, everyone. For his unique dual role in spearheading strategy development and enterprise risk management functions in his organization, as well as promoting risk management as a philosophy and business discipline, the winner was chosen. He stood out for how we align risk management and strategy in his corporation by engendering a culture that accepts risk management principles and standards from an improved bottom-up, top-down process. Ladies and gentlemen, the Corporate Risk Manager of the Year award goes to Mr. Ryan Tan from SMRT Corporation, Singapore.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Ryan Tan.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to receive this award in spite of the tough competition. SMRT is Singapore's leading multimodal operator, and we run operations 24/7 across a number of business lines: trains, buses, taxis, commercial, and rail engineering. Nothing can be perfect, but with a robust and comprehensive enterprise risk management framework, we're getting there. The data suggests that we're improving, and we'll strive to continually meet both our revenue as well as reliability targets. So thank you to everybody. Thank you to the judges and for Asia Insurance Review for organizing such a wonderful dinner. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Tan. We now present the award for the Broker of the Year, sponsored by Tokyo Marine. This award is given to the company who has demonstrated the most leadership in boosting the image of the broking profession by adding significant value to the insurance process in the course of generating new business and helping clients meet their protection and risk management needs. The finalists are Aon, NCI Brokers Asia, and Secure Now Insurance Brokers. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Tsutomu Terabayashi, Managing Director and Chief Operating Officer, Tokyo Marine Asia Private Limited.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This year's winner impressed the judges for its continued leadership and ability to deliver on its client needs and retain their business. In addition, its dedication to maintaining the highest levels of professionalism especially with its rigorous employee development called the JAGIDES. Initiatives such as its university, a gateway to internal education and learning for its staff, as well as its work to boost the imaging of the broken professional through extensive thought leadership documents and engagement with industry bodies, including risk associations, also stood out. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Broker of the Year award is Aon. Congratulations.
Here to accept the award, Ms. Jane Drummond, Regional Head of Sales and Marketing, Asia, Aon.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Aon Risk Solutions in Asia, it gives me great pleasure to accept this award this evening. I'd like to thank Asia Insurance Review and the judging panel. I know you have so many submissions to go through, and we appreciate your time. At Aon, we talk about empowering results for our clients, for our colleagues, and for our communities. This evening, this award really goes back to our colleagues. Without them, we are nothing. We owe everything that we have for our clients to our colleagues. We talk about helping our colleagues help a client, and that really is within our DNA at Aon. So thank you, everyone, for giving us this award, and we'll have great celebrations in the office tomorrow. Thank you.
Well done, Aon. The award for Reinsurance Broker of the Year is next and is sponsored by Toa Re. This award is given to the reinsurance broker that has demonstrated leadership and added the most significant value to the reinsurance process in the course of generating new business and helping insurers meet their reinsurance needs. The finalists, ladies and gentlemen, are Aon Benfield and JB Boda Reinsurance Brokers. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Tomoatsu Noguchi, President and Chief Executive, the Toa Reinsurance Company Limited.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, my presentation speech might be a little longer than we expected. I'd like to ask you, please do not sleep to the end. Okay. Let's start. For its continued and holistic value it brings to its clients and the industry, including thought leadership and innovation in disaster and risk mitigation, and for its extensive value-added client service, including at the regulatory front, this company stood out. Judges paid particular attention to how it had continued to expand research partnerships regionally, as well as how it worked with professors from various Asian markets on weather risks. The endorsement by the World Bank in appointing it to build a multi-peril model is a testament to the value it has brought to the market. Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Reinsurance Broker of the Year is bestowed on, once again, Aon Benfield.
Here to accept the award, please welcome back on stage Mr. Malcolm C. Steingold, CEO Asia Pacific, Aon Benfield.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be relieved because there's no piece of paper going to come out, which means this is going to be short on one account. The second account is my previous colleague said everything there really has to say. Other than I'd like to thank Asia Insurance Review, the judges, and our wonderful sponsor, Torii, for this recognition. And frankly, there's two people I really need to thank. That's firstly the wonderful, dedicated, talented, committed team whom I have the privilege to lead and who lead me, and our wonderful clients, many of whom are in the audience tonight. Thank you very much. This award means a lot to us. Thank you.
Congratulations, Aon Benfield. Next up is the General Reinsurer of the Year Award, sponsored by MSIG. This award is given to the company which has demonstrated the most leadership to enhance the stability and security of the Asian general reinsurance industry in an exemplary manner. The finalists for General Reinsurer of the Year are Munich Re, Partner Re, and SCOR. To announce the winner, please welcome Mr. Alan Wilson, Regional CEO, MSIG Holdings Asia Private Limited.
Good evening, everybody. This year's winner clinched the award for its outstanding contributions at all stages of the value chain of reinsurance and for boosting the industry's standing by being a voice for key issues at global platforms. Judges were impressed by its leadership in engaging several authorities in Asia to develop RBC solvency frameworks and regulatory issues in motor insurance. In addition, its innovation, displayed by online insurance products for cost overruns in construction and D&O, also caught the judges' attention. For all this and more, the General Reinsurer of the Year is Munich Re.
Here to accept the award, please welcome Dr. Ludger Arnold-Jussen, Member of Board of Management, Munich Re.
So, first a big thank you to Asia Insurance Review, the judges, and our sponsor MSIG, and then a real big thank you to my Munich Re team across the Asia Pacific region and back in Munich. We are all very much honored and delighted to be the winner of the General Reinsurers Award this year. I think it's an appreciation of the big effort that the team has put in to support our clients in a rapidly changing market on the regulatory side and many other sides that are challenging, but all the challenges also offer opportunities. And so I think we are trying and will continue to do our best to support our clients as best as we can, and thank you very much again.
Congratulations to Munich Re. The next award is for the Life Reinsurer of the Year, sponsored by Muang Thai Life Assurance. This award is given to the company which has demonstrated the most leadership to enhance the stability and security of the Asian life reinsurance industry in an exemplary manner. The finalists are Munich Re, RGA Reinsurance Company, and SCOR Global Life. To present the award, please welcome Mrs. Pitrapon Punya Ratabandhu, Executive Vice President, Muang Thai Life Assurance Public Company Limited.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This year's winner was chosen for its reputation and leadership as endorsed by analysts and capital markets as the most solid reinsurer, having weathered the global financial crisis better than its peers. Judges were particularly impressed by its research geared to helping insurers understand the impact of new medical findings to underwriting. Ranked number one for market penetration and having outperformed the market, this year's winner also stood out for its reputation by supervisory bodies in Asia as a benchmark for ERM. Judges were particularly impressed by how it shared this expertise with clients across Asia to enable the life industry to adjust to the new regulatory environment. Ladies and gentlemen, the Life Reinsurer of the Year, a double winner tonight is Munich Re.
To accept from Munich Re, please welcome Mr. Daniel Cosset, Head of Asia Pacific Life, Munich Re.
Good evening. It's a great honor to accept this award on behalf of Munich Re, and I would like to thank the judges, the Asia Insurance Review, the sponsor, of course, and this would not have been possible without the great support from our clients and our staff. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Munich Re. Next, we present the Corporate Social Responsibility Award, sponsored by Swiss Re. This award recognizes the efforts of organizations or individuals representing the insurance industry who have committed substantial resources and time to achieve significant and sustainable benefit to the community in social, economic, and/or environmental arenas through non-profit-driven ventures. The finalists are Allianz Malaysia Berhad, Canara HSBC, and Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company of Vietnam. To present the award, please welcome Ms. Karen Tan, Chief Risk Officer, Reinsurance Asia, Swiss Re.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This year's winner blazed a trail of CSR achievements by building stronger communities, promoting health, wellness, education, and harnessing the power of volunteering. Its contribution towards the construction of 10 concrete bridges in rural Vietnamese provinces, enabling an estimated 20,000 residents to work during the flood season, was outstanding. Judges were impressed, not only because these were funded by their own corporate donations, but because they were by their staff as well. Honored with the Prime Minister's Award, they also intend to launch a corporate social responsibility foundation focusing on education, healthcare, and environmental improvement. The winner of the Corporate Social Responsibility Award goes to Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company of Vietnam.
To accept the award, please welcome Mr. Takashi Fujii, Chairman of the Members' Council, Dai-ichi Life Insurance Company of Vietnam Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very proud of being here today to receive this prestigious CSR Award 2015, nominated to Dai-ichi Life Vietnam by Asia Insurance Review. It really makes my heart touch, as it is the second time we win such prestigious award. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the organizer, the judges, the sponsor, for giving us the opportunity to receive this honorable award. And also, my special thanks to all my colleagues, my staff, and agents who have devoted their efforts to make this prestigious CSR award possible. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Daiichi Life Vietnam. The next award is for Technology Initiative of the Year with Knowledge Advisor KPMG. This award is given to the provider for Best Breakthrough Technology Initiative that innovatively addresses a significant industry need of insurers and allows for greater efficiency or profitability in insurance business. The finalists are AIA Malaysia, Cathay Conning Asset Management Limited, MetLife Limited, and Sun Life Malaysia Assurance Berhad. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Simon Donahoe, Asia Pacific Insurance Lead Partner, KPMG.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A hotly contested category, the winner clinched the Technology Initiative of the Year award for pushing technology boundaries to respond to its agency force's needs and tapping on mobile solutions for every facet of the agent's journey. Judges were impressed by how it harnessed the power of mobile technology to create a solution that has not only allowed its agents to be more efficient and productive, but also provide a better customer experience. Its unique interactive point-of-sale technology is the first of its kind in its local insurance space, providing a comprehensive end-to-end insurance sales application that is integrated with back-end operations, enabling life planners to complete the sales process with just one visit or from anywhere in the world. The Technology Initiative Award goes to AIA Malaysia.
Ladies and gentlemen, to receive the award, please welcome Mr. Eric Chang, Head of Brand and Digital, AIA Berhad.
First of all, thank you very much to Asia Insurance Review for this award. When we started this journey in 2013, in the midst of integrating the AIA and ING business, which we have just acquired in Malaysia, we were very clear that when we created this point of sales tool, center to our focus is to ensure that we can deliver an experience to our customer that will be great, that will be efficient, that will be easy for them to do business with AIA. So thank you very much for this award, which is a recognition of that. It was never easy to do something which was very new, trailblazing in the industry, but we've done it, and I just want to dedicate this to the team that's been working very hard back home to continually innovate, to deliver better experience for our customers. And on behalf of AIA Malaysia, thank you very much again.
Well done to AIA. Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you the Employer of the Year Award, sponsored by PwC. This award is given to the insurance or reinsurance company with an outstanding focus on human capital, nurturing talent, and facilitating organizational change to meet the dynamic needs of an expanding business and marketplace. The finalists are Munich Re, RGA Reinsurance Company, and Tata AIG General Insurance Company. To present the award, please welcome Mr. Andrew Taggart, Financial Services Leader, PwC Southeast Asia Consulting Practice.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Recognizing that its success depends heavily on human capital, the chosen winner stood out for its employee-centric HR policies, which reward talent, encourage development, and chart out a career path for all of its staff. It impressed judges with its all-encompassing staff engagement activities, including an employee intranet tool for connecting staff, a Celebrate Children at Work scheme, as well as quarterly town hall sessions for newcomers to meet with the leadership team. With its HR practices that had demonstrated a significant reduction in attrition rates, the Employer of the Year award goes to Tata AIG.
Ladies and gentlemen, to accept the award, please welcome Mr. Subramanian Surya Narayanan, Chief Human Resource Officer, Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited.
It's a big namaste from India to all of you. I thank the jury, the NIA representatives. It's our first entry this year, and it's an honor to receive the award. I thank the jury once again. The award is a true testament of all the employees in India who are contributing to make the organization such a great success. Thank you.
Congratulations to Tata AIG. The penultimate award for the evening is the Personality of the Year Award, sponsored by Remark International. This award recognizes the person who has made the most outstanding individual contribution to the Asian insurance or reinsurance industry for the period under review. The finalists are Ms. Aruno Rajaratnam, Mr. Chris Townsend, Dr. Koo Ka Siang. To present this award, please welcome Mr. Stephen Collins, Group CEO, Remark International.
Thank you. Thank you. The Personality of the Year was chosen for playing a pioneering role over 4 decades in the industry. This person put Asia on the insurance world map and is renowned for training and educating the newer generation of insurance professionals. A trailblazer and a pioneer in several fields, this individual was recognized for being very active in the liability field and was the first Asian to be conferred the Plus One Award at the Professional Liability Underwriting Society Plus International Conference in Las Vegas in the US. Having served the industry as a broker, lawyer, underwriter and reinsurer, the winner has influenced the development of industry practices and actively worked towards boosting greater professionalism in the market through several pioneering milestones. Accolades include being responsible for placing Asia's first D&O policy in 1986 and in 1990 co-authoring a mandatory textbook for the Certificate of General Insurance in Singapore, which was reproduced later for the Hong Kong market. A year later, this outstanding individual also developed and managed the first compulsory professional indemnity insurance scheme for lawyers. A trainer and mentor and a true trailblazer, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Aruno Rajaratnam is being saluted as the Personality of the Year.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Aruno Rajaratnam.
This is my 40th year in the insurance industry. Thank you for recognizing me. When I first started with liability in the 80s, a few rival brokers had names for me. They used to call me the D&O Queen. And when I did the compulsory scheme and a few other schemes, they called me the Scheming Lady. And then I moved on to be called the Mother of Financial Lines. Today, I'm called the Grandmother of Financial Lines. I'm really very happy. I'm here. I'm not going to walk off into the sunset. I have a lot to impart, and I wish to train another 2 generations. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ms. Rajaratnam. The final award, ladies and gentlemen, is the Lifetime Achievement Award, sponsored by QBE. This award is for the person who has made the most outstanding long-term contribution to the insurance and reinsurance industry in Asia. To present this award, please welcome Mr. Mark Lingerfelter, Managing Director, QBE Asia Pacific.
Good evening. This year's Lifetime Achievement awardee is a man who is known for his excellence of service in both the ASEAN insurance industry and internationally. Long seen as an elder and leader of the Thai insurance market through the various rounds of changes, he is easily the most visible face of the Thai market, along with the good and strong performance of his company, Bangkok Insurance, which has received several domestic, international, regional accolades and awards, including from the Insurance Commissioner of Thailand as the most outstanding non-life insurer. Spanning a career of over 50 years, he was the first recipient of the Insurance Personality of Asia Insurance Industry Awards in 1997, and was a director of the Thai General Insurance Association for 36 years, of which he served 10 years as president. A legend whose advice is frequently sought by industry and government officials and revered by many as a dependable and selfless leader of the industry, the Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Mr. Chai Sopapanich.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chai Sopapanich.
Member of the judging panels, ladies and gentlemen, I feel it's a great honor to have received the Lifetime Achievements Award. But I would like to take this occasion to thank Mr. Siwon. I know him since he joined the Asia Insurance Review. I remember back in 1989, 26 years ago, Mr. Won Soo-jin, the founder of Asia Insurance Review, was discussing with me. He was worrying that the magazine would not make money. Some of the board members questioned him that they are in reinsurance business. What are they doing? Should they be getting into a publishing business? But 25 years since then, it became a very successful publishing business. Not only that, it provides information, education, arrange seminar, and many insurance awards, like the Asia Insurance, the Australian New Zealand Insurance Award, and now the Middle East Insurance Award. So for me, I take this opportunity to thank Siwon for all his good work. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 19th Asia Insurance Industry Awards has come to an end. Please give another round of applause to all our winners. Once again, well done to the winners. Many thanks to our generous sponsors and to all our distinguished judges. Thank you all very much for coming. Whilst the awards ceremony is over, the evening of celebration still continues. The bar is open, so please stay and enjoy the drinks. We wish you the very best for a successful SIRC and hope to see you all again at next year's awards in Macau, to be held in conjunction with the EAIC. Thank you and good night.